I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade kosher dill pickles. First, gather your fresh pickling cucumbers, aiming for about 2 pounds. Next, prepare your brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of kosher salt in 4 cups of water, then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This creates the perfect environment for fermentation. Remember to sterilize your jars and lids to ensure a safe and successful pickling process. Now let's pack those jars. Start by placing 1 or 2 cloves of peeled garlic and 1 teaspoon of dill seeds into the bottom of each clean quart jar. Then, carefully pack your cucumbers vertically and tightly into the jars, leaving about 1 inch of space from the top. Finally, tuck in a few sprigs of fresh dill and a 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns for that classic dill flavor. With your jars packed, it's time for the magic of fermentation. Carefully pour your prepared brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Seal the jars with their lids and let them sit at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The fermentation process usually takes about 3 to 7 days, depending on how sour and crunchy you prefer your pickles. Congratulations! Your homemade kosher dill pickles are almost ready. Once they've reached your desired level of fermentation, simply transfer the sealed jars to your refrigerator. The cooler temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, helping to preserve their delicious flavor and crisp texture. Enjoy your wonderful homemade pickles for several months when stored properly in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.